Ann Curtis todo kilig nang muling makita si Park Bo-gum, may pasample. Tara at pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa latest chika. Abot langit ang katuwaan at pasasalamat ng kapamilya actress at TV host na si Ann Curtis sa reunion nila ng Korean superstar na si Park Bo-gum. Isa si Ann sa mga celebrity na nabigyan ng chance na makarampa sa blue carpet global premiere ng latest K-drama ni Park Bo-gum, ang Good Boy, na ginanap sa Bangkok, Thailand nitong Sabado, May 31. Sa isang panayam, sinabi ni Ann na super happy ang feeling na muling makita ang favorite niyang Korean actor na una niyang nakita up close and personal noong 2019 sa fan meet nito sa Manila. So very happy. First, this is the second time that I got to interview him because I hosted his fan meet a couple of years ago. So it was nice to see him again and nice to talk about his new series Good Boy, ani Ann. I am very grateful that I'm in this business and able to interview them, say ng aktres. Sa tanong kung ano ang i-expect ng fans sa interview niya kay Park Bo-gum, say ni Ann, may pasample. Yeah, may pasample, sample sila. It was very fun, we got to talk about the series. Hindi nawala yung cute na sample dyan, na isingit natin. So it's something that of course the Filipinos fans should look forward to. Chika pa ng, It's Showtime, host. Bukod kay Park Bo-gum, nakilala rin ni Ann ang isa pang Korean superstar nang pumunta siya sa South Korea, si Song Hye-kyo. Mabait po siya, she's really nice and I was just so happy to meet her also, say ni Ann sa naturang panayam. Samantala, ibinalita rin ni Ann na katatapos lang nila sa shooting ng bago niyang serye sa ABS-CBN, ang Philippine adaptation ng hit Korean series na, It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Malapit na, ipalabas. I believe when I'm leaving for a vacation I think I deserve after working so hard, we'll have our press con when I go back, that means it's coming soon, ani Ann. Makakasama rin sa serye sina Joshua Garcia at Carlo Aquino. At dyan na po nagtatapos guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.